motion and oppose the demands. सुरुवात I begin with the demand for school education. And English in एक phrase असा, catch them young. And when I say catch them young, म्हाका दिसता हेजेर खूब महत्वाचे हे phrase. कित्याक the learning and experiences during these formative years leave a lasting influence on the future life of our children, the youth, and the future of our country. It's because this makes basically school education and foundation stage of education, it gives it a lot of significance. And I catch them young, and hetu aspak jai, give them the touch of love, brotherhood, peace, and compassion. Dusra hetu jawapak shakta ki catch them young and put their hands with the sword of hatred, jingoism, violence, and heartlessness. It's because Survatik, I warn the government that while tinkering with textbooks and the syllabus at school level, there are apprehensions. And lokamade birant asa ki these history textbooks will be rewritten with questionable objectives in mind. And certain historical contents and even events are sought to be erased. This is something that is happening. Certain other references, they introduce korpak. They introduce that to foment basically pride and prejudice. Information of chosen or specific national leaders are deleted. Anik Magadista, my fervent appeal to the department, to the minister, humanize education, don't saffronize education. It's because school education, if you look at the state, I feel important subject to speak about is NEP. And NEP, we are not prepared at all. I will speak at length on this. We have about 1,472 schools. Government schools 773, aided schools figures are 558, and private 141. Ada Zuridor student-teacher ratio across these 12 talukas, this needs to be improved. J RTE norms are to comply with these norms. Number 2, we cannot claim that all schools have adequate classrooms, libraries, drinking water, and gender-specific toilets. Science labs today are missing. Computer labs are absent. Use of digital tools is only a tokenism done by the department. So, this is basically what I am trying to say is a neglect of career guidance and life skills. And there is a vast gap that exists in this area. It's because specifically implementation of NEP, Anna Sarkar claim kotta, I'll say what the government claims and what is the reality. NEP is being implemented for multiple standards including grade 9 and grade 10. This is what the government says. The reality, Speaker Sir, is that the NEP aligned textbooks today have not been introduced for these grades. Number 2, there is a need for content reform which is lacking. J required reforms in the methods of learning and teaching. This we need training and retraining of teachers. At present, Magadista Sarkar, whatever it is doing, whatever the government is doing, it is insufficient. It's because amche elekyunt, the department has admitted that textbooks are yet to be introduced in the reply. But at the other side, it is saying that it is implemented in multiple standards. And that's because the second point is, I am coming about the curriculum hours. Goa mandates 1,200 hours, instructional hours annually. RTE minimum aura asai 1,000. Anik National Curriculum Framework mandates 955. There is a need today, and the Chief Minister needs to clarify on this quantification of hours for different purposes. Assembly cha vela Mukhyamantri agreed that there is a flaw. So now he needs to tell us how does he look into this particular system. Tisre, सरकार क्लेम करता कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन फ्रॉम ग्रेड 3 onwards is skill based with practical focus. The reality is no coaches are appointed. Reliance is only on sanctioned PE teachers. This is the reality. It's because सरकार claim करता कि NEP rightly emphasizes early exposure to real world skills, not just textbook learning. Reality is today skilled training padha is reduced to just theoretical models or modules. This is the reality. It's because म्हाका दिसता trainer base iskolant it needs to be expanded by outsourcing from industries, from businesses, from crafts, from occupationals. पण skill training जे आज mentorship म्हाका दिसता जे जावपाक जाय, especially from professionals, that is lacking. It's because we need to double our efforts. Don't pusamaiz for achieving these results of NEP. The Chief Minister jenna NEP चे announcement जाले पयलोच सारको first आलो सांगपाक NEP Goa state in implement केलमो, हर घर जल Goa state in हे केलमो. Defecation free Goa is the number one. Ma खबर नाही कसले figures. There are other states that have implemented. Orientation आणि के training programs because जे pre-primary आणि primary teacheraचे आसपास जाल्ले to prepare them for teaching and learning. There is definitely a huge scope. या learning methods are activity based methods are आणि through games आणि problem solving. This is what NEP is about. पण आज जरी तो चलस because म्हाका दिसता एक ongoing refresher courses at regular intervals हे जावपाक जाय. Honorable Minister, Education Minister, these are tasks which needs to be taken on priority by SCERT, and this is what is lacking. It's because आता येता higher educationाचे. Higher educationाचे जेन्ना येता NEP in 8 part हांव highlight करपाक सोदता with regards to higher education. एक multidisciplinary undergraduate examination education. Number 2, flexible choice of subjects. तिसरे 4-year degree programs with exit options. चौथे 1, 2, 3 वर्सांचे years with certificate, diploma and degree. My concept ha academic bank of credits म्हणून. सोवे internship skill based training आणि industry academia interface. सातवे research focused on higher education institution आणि autonomy to colleges. ओ जरी तर हे ओ पार्ट चलस because गोंयांत कितें जाता, गोंयांत सध्या एक superficial structural changes केला ह्या सरकारान आणि मुखेलमंत्री. Colleges were forced in Goa to adopt a 4-year undergraduate program, but curriculum जे पढ़या तेच पन्नेले. तू education department आले नेता, तू गेली institute है, पन्ने तेच book. Speaker sir, 3 वर्षाचे from 3-year-old models. Number 2, जे multidisciplinary means offering optional subjects on paper. Today, no trained faculty is there for these multidisciplinary choices. It's because exit option, exit option, it is only theory. There is no practical in this. It's because multiple exit option, this is shown in the structure of NEP. But what value does a 1-year or a 2-year certificate hold in job market? आज किती त्याची बघा दिसा value हा. दुसरे भुरगे कितको re-enter जातले. हेजेर म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय, क्लॅरिटी जावपाक जाय. Institution themselves today are confused. Forget students, the institution itself is confused. They lack the confidence to guide the students. So who will guide? हेजेर म्हाका दिसता एक क्लॅरिटी मुखेलमंत्रीन दिवपाक जाय. आता academic bank of credits today I call this a joke. Absolutely joke by the education department. No college in Goa today has a functioning ABC system. Let the Chief Minister name a single college today. आज students also are unaware of it. Credits are earned. Can they be transferred? ये institution म्हाका दिसता जे the prime objective of NEP today is being defeated through this core idea of flexibility. So the department म्हाका खबर ना हे जे लक्ष घातले जाल्यार मुखेलमंत्री हांव सांगता काल 25 आज 20 पोर्टफोलिओ 45 जाले सोमारा बरपण कितें आयको येता स्पीकर सर तुगेलें नांव तितू हांव आयको येता पूण तें बेगीन जाचें नाल्यार आनी दोग तीग जाणां उडयले मागीर ते पोनास बा तो गोल्डन क्रावन घेवन भोंवतलो हिंगा स्पीकर सर सिल्वर क्राउन टू गोल्डन क्राउन आज जे स्किल ट्रेनिंग आयकोत तूं न्हू स्पीकर सर तुगेले बरें मागपी आमी बरें जाचें सोमारा जावपा आमी आयको येता तर ते एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान लक्ष घालपाक जाय तूं एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान येता यू हॅव सो मेनी इन्स्टिट्यूट कंप्लीट चोयल्यार मुखेलमंत्री को इतले पोर्टफोलिओ आसतना म्हाका दिसता थोडेशे हेजे रिफॉर्म हाडपाक जाय स्किल ट्रेनिंगाचे उलयतना स्पीकर सर this exercise by the department is only a check box exercise, only check box. Kaina, NEP calls for hands-on learning and industry-based internship. Most of the colleges today in the state of Goa continue the same old theory of classroom routine. No changes absolutely. In the name of NEP, Magadista Thodeshe workshops and webinar are shown as skill exposure. Faculty जे पडे हा आतां तुगे कॉलेजीन ते ट्रेन केलो आहाय तांकां कन्सल्ट केलें मोस्ट ऑफ दीज फॅकल्टी वर नॉट कन्सल्टेड आय चार्ज दे रिसीव्ड लिटल और नो ओरिएंटेशन इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा अबाउट द सिलेबस शिफ्ट स्पीकर सर इव्हॅल्युएशन टुडे जे जाता कंटिन्यूज इन द ओल्ड लर्निंग आनी एंड सेमेस्टर एग्जाम मॉडल पयलींचो मॉडल आहा तूं जेन्ना इस्कला वयतालो त्या वेळार तसलोच मॉडल आहा कांय चेंज जालो ना स्पीकर सर आता येता गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचे हितून गोवा युनिवर्सिटी शुड टेक द लिडरशिप एंड ओनरशिप टू एन्श्योर की जे सक्सेस जावपाक जाय विथ रिगार्ड्स टू NEP. What we find today, Speaker sir, is Goa University itself is riddled with problems. It is engulfed in controversies. तेंकां ते पोण घेना तेंगेली ती MP आहा ते भाशेन गोवा युनिवर्सिटी जाला. That is also a state within a state. ते हांकां as legislators म्हाका दिसता we are failing. People are watching and laughing. फाल्यां तुगे नात तूं बी हिंसातले तुमकां स्पीकर सर कितें केलें कामू तुमी हिंगा ह्या हावसांत येता थिंगा सगळे येता तेजेर प्रायवेट युनिवर्सिटीचे येता गणपत युनिवर्सिटी पारूल युनिवर्सिटी अमिटी युनिवर्सिटी हे सगळे प्रायवेट मनीस हिंगा बॅकग्राऊंड चेक सारखे जालें ना आनीक जोरी तर एकूच गोवा युनिवर्सिटीन जाला नेक मोठे रँकिंग इम्प्रूव जाला आनी आमी पयर मुखेलमंत्री लागीं मागला की वी एज लेजिस्लेटर्स have an equal responsibility to legislate on the wrongdoings when funds have been provided by the state to the university. होईना होई म्हाका दिसता आज ज्या पद्दतीन बिल हाडटाय आनी बिल हाडपा मोठो प्रयत्न आतां आजूय एक बिल 2-3 बिल आमी कितले अमेंडमेंट घातले स्पीकर सर बिल येवपा कितले अमेंडमेंट घातल्या शिकोनी न्ही कितले 14, 15, 16 अमेंडमेंट अरे आज बिल घाताय तेजेर तेन्नाय अमेंडमेंट कोणान घायले रुलिंगान घातले शिकप नासतना येता हिंगा स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता की जे प्रायवेट युनिवर्सिटीज आहाय वी हॅव परमिटेड 2 टुडे आनीक वी हॅव गिवन देम सबस्टेन्शियल लँड द गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज ऑल्सो रिलॅक्स प्रोविजन 4 पुसा बिल आनी फॉर प्रायवेट युनिवर्सिटी पयले येयल्ले त्या वेळार हांवें सांगलोलें 10 कोटीची फीज आहा ती देंवयली दिस विल डावनग्रेड गोवा युनिवर्सिटीज रँकिंग टुडे द पीपल आर वॉचिंग आणि आज हे प्रायवेट युनिवर्सिटी स्पीकर गोंयांत कित्याक घेवपाक सोदताय जमीन घेवपाक थिंगा 3000 जमीन गणपत युनिवर्सिटी दिली प्रायम लोकेशन द फोकस टुडे सिम्स टू बी ऑन लँड स्पीकर जे जायते प्लेयर आहे ते सगळे प्रायवेट प्लेयर गोंयांत येवपाक सोदताय प्रायवेट युनिवर्सिटीज आर लुकिंग मियर एट स्टुडंट्स टुडे आज एडवर्टिजमेंट हू हॅव विलिंगनेस टू पे हाय स्किमिंग फीज high fees but not for Goans from all over the country. Speaker sir, हे जरी तर चोयल्यार एडवर्टिजमेंट तेंगेले म्हाका दिसता ऑलरेडी फाउंडेशन स्टोन नासतो ले कोनासतो पासून दे आर टेकिंग एडमिशन्स हाउ कॅन दिस हॅपन स्पीकर सर आनी जे बिल्डिंग्स क्लासरूम लायब्ररी लॅब बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स आज विदाउट एनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे आर टेकिंग दी रिक्वायर्ड एडमिशन एंड फीज आता पयर एक ऑफ कॅम्पस म्हणून आनी एक अमेंडमेंट हे हाडलें बिल हाडलें अरे ये ऑफ कॅम्पस सेंटर्स बी कसं आनी एक प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी जावं गुजरात कर्नाटका महाराष्ट्र खुंयच्यान ते विल ऑपरेट फ्रॉम एनीवेर can we get can for examples because without even visiting Goa. So म्हाका दिसता honorable chief minister needs to clarify on this. Finally we have to look at quality. At least we should have minimum standards garage potrigan university हाडपाचो प्रयत्न आहा काय कितें otherwise म्हाका दिसता we are basically we have the danger of educational scrap yards. I will call these educational scrap yards because and म्हाका दिसता is a very serious concern. मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर आमकां clarification दिवपाक जाय. And that's because sir technical educationाचेर जेन्ना येतना budget 146 crores म्हाका दिसता वाडयल्लें आसा it was 140 crores but this allocation might look as if it is reasonable on the surface but it does not reflect the transformational commitment to technical education of Goa. How कित्याक म्हणटास because Directorate of Technical Education पडे हा इतून it looks after engineering colleges, polytechnics, technical institution. आनीक आज function जाता without any lack of any futuristic planning. Because Karnataka महाराष्ट्र एमी रिफॉर्म हाडे रिफॉर्म म्हणजे कितें टेक्निकल एड्युकेशनान तेमी हे रिफॉर्माचे सिस्टम जावं एआय रोबोटिक्स रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सिस्टम्स ड्रोन टेक्नॉलॉजी सेमीकंडक्टर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मरीन इंजिनियरिंग हे करिक्युलमान हाडला आमचे कितें कोताय आउटडेटेड पयले पुअर इंडस्ट्री लिंकेजीस एब्सोल्युटली आउटडेटेड सिलेबस बिकॉज एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो मेन मुद्दो आज सगळे इंजिनियरिंग आणि डिप्लोमाचे ग्रॅज्युएटाचे भुरगे आज अंडर डेव्हलप्ड आहे और अनएम्प्लॉयड आहे हे कित्याक म्हणटा बिकॉज कित्याक मेजर जो द रिजन फॉर दिस इज जे स्किल मिसमॅच लॅक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इनसफिशियंट प्रॅक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग आज कॅम्पस प्लेसमेंट जेन्ना या गव्हर्मेंट रन टेक्निकल इन्स्टिट्यूटान this is completely sporadic. Why I say that's because we have only a narrow set of stream, absolutely narrow choice that these boys get to choose from. It's because graduates pade hai emi newer discipline like data analytics, environmental engineering, biotechnology often find absolutely no opportunities in the state of Goa. Enga future ho na ani sarkaracho laksh khunय asa is the government looking into these things because जे state run polytechnics and engineering institutes padhai they are reporting decline in the enrollment of core disciplines now civil engineering and mechanical and electrical it is dropping. Meanwhile जे private engineering colleges hai they are mushrooming today in the state of Goa without proper regulations, faculty or facilities. It's because एक जोरी तर गोंयांत आज चल जाला द नंबर ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स टुडे ऑफरिंग जे टेक्निकल एंड प्रोफेशनल एड्युकेशन आज जोरी तर चल्यार वी हैव रीच्ड एक सॅच्युरेशन पॉइंट द सप्लाय ऑफ सीट्स ऑफ लर्निंग एक्सीड्स द डिमांड 70% सीट ऑक्युपन्सी ओनली 70% मच म्हाका दिसता हेजेर लास्ट टायमूय आमी मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगलेलें लक्ष घाल. We have a good network of polytechnics in the state, but there is no issue. There is no issue with the numbers of quantity. The intake पडे हा हे drop जायत आसा. Because आता main मुद्दो या डिपार्टमेंटान is contract faculty. Contract faculty पडे आसा because sir मान्य मंत्री आमकां मुखेलमंत्री आमकां सांगपाक जाय की shortage of qualified full-time faculty. Contract faculty today is becoming the new norm in technical institution. It's because चार main मुद्दे या technical education आज Goa lacks industry and linkage and placement सारखे जायना भुरग्याचे. दुसरे campus placements पडे हा they are very dismal, especially in non-IT streams. हे जायनाय. तिसरे poor employability and skill irrelevance. ये बेसिक लॉ ऑपरेशन आसा. चौथे lack of innovation hubs and skill incubation center. And that's because of Muddo Kata Goa College of Pharmacy. Goyat itल्यो pharmaceutical industries asa. One of the oldest pharmacy institutions in the country is Goa College of Pharmacy. But आज जरी तर चुयल्यास because of the infrastructure तेजरान उलय नाव पयर गेला तो completely bad. Pathetic सारखे. आता माई pharmacy colleges पळया ओ ऑर्फना भाशेन ताका माय पाय ना. भुरगी मोठी सोडूच माय पाय ना, शापाय ना, शामाय ना. ना कोण ना. Absolutely. Because the government has periodically announced कि plans to shift this college to a new campus. When will this happen? Honorable Minister needs to clarify. Speaker sir, आज गोय जेन्ना म्हणटा एक फार्मा मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग हब आणि जेन्ना almost 100 pharma units are there in the state of Goa. Many global players are there in the state of Goa. Amchi pharma companies are relying on skilled pharmacists, on QA analysts, on R&D professionals and chemists. But Goyant चयल्यार the demand for pharmacy professionals is growing. Goyant nationally, globally. Students today are being forced to go outside the state for quality pharma education. आज pharma industries सगळे भायले हाडाय from other states. This is a major problem, Speaker sir. If Goa is a pharma hub today, then we should be equally a hub of pharma education and pharma employment. Yes, I know. Is there zaite employment burgyang जातले गोंयकारांक जातले. So this is misplaced priorities. Anik म्हाका दिसता एक we need to audit and revive these colleges with proper funding, faculty recruitment and industry tabs. खूप गरजेचे Speaker sir. Revamp all these things. आता technical educationचे म्हाका दिसता I demand की एक comprehensive audit जावपाक जाय. या comprehensive audit मुखेलमंत्र्यान करचे तो भितर टीव्ही चोयत मु जाणो हे सांगची तुगे मनशा माझे बरोय मु कोण बी एका म्हळे मातशे बरोयन हेजेर आमकां हे दिवपा मागीर तो एक पेपर घेवन येता हें घालचें पेपराचेर हे you need to have understand a comprehensive audit of all these technical institutions जे infrastructureचे problem जे पडे हा course relevance placement performance आणि faculty quality हे जावपाक जाय Speaker sir. दुसरें एक I demand that you launch a technical faculty excellence program. आता हितून जे syllabus training, industry immersion आणि exposure to visit this premier institution हे या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता हे खूप गरजेचे हे रिफॉर्म हाडपाक. आज एड्युकेशनल पोर्टलाचेर रियल टाइम डेटा आसपाक जाय, रियल टाइम ऑन कोर्सेस, ऑन द फॅकल्टी, on the projects, on job placement, on alumni networks. ये म्हाका दिसता is missing. Speaker sir, technical education is a sector which must be at the core of the state's economic diversification and एक youth employment agenda or youth empowerment agenda म्हणपाक शकता. पण फक्त tourismaचेर फक्त काणयो मायनिंग सुरवात जातली फक्त हे जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता भुरग्यांक मागीर सगळे ड्रग्स जावं वयताय, सगळे गांजा मारपा वयताय, सगळे कार्डान खेळपा वयताय, फ्लॅश आनी कितें सर पिवपा वयताय. हें कित्याक जाता? सिस्टम हेज फेल्ड. कांयच ना, फ्युचरीच ना Speaker sir. म्हाका दिसता आज मुखार वयतना आय स्पीक अबाउट गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनियरींग. मागीर मुखेलमंत्री कितें म्हणटा तो लॉस थंय गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनियरींग थंय वचोन 4 म्हयने कोण गेला आतां तेंगेलें बरोवन घेतलां बरोवन हाडा हांवें बरयलां सारकी चॅक करपाक मुखेलमंत्री. मागीर तो म्हणटा हे शॉस ते शॉस तेणे आज गरज आहा वचपाक. हे एड्युकेशन सिस्टम म्हाका दिसता आज इज कंप्लिटली डिपींग. वी आर फेलिंग द पीपल एंड द यूथ ऑफ गोवा. स्पीकिंग ऑन गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनियरींग आज जरी तो चोयल्यार देर सीम्स टू बी एन अपवर्ड एलोकेशन in the Goa College of Engineering. But this college established early 1967. This is one of the oldest and most prestigious government-run engineering college in the state. Despite this, Speaker sir, issue pade hai, burge pod struggle jata in infrastructural decay. I call that decay. It is decay. Outdated labs, लिमिटेड इनोवेशन, कांयच ना इनोवेशन, डिक्लायनिंग प्लेसमेंट परफॉर्मन्स आणि इनएड्युकेट एकेडमिक इंडस्ट्री कोलॅबोरेशन, कांयच ना. करिक्युलम पण आज सर आउटडेटेड. पयलींचें you need to sync this with rising, emerging sectors like artificial intelligence, climate resilience, biomedical instrumentation, sustainable energy system, space technologies. But department म्हाका दिसता कांयच हेजेर हे ना. Core issues like civil, mechanical and electrical हे पासून सारकें थिंगा चलना. स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता as a result of this जे भुरगे GECंतल्यान ग्रॅज्युएट जाते, they often have to face the amendment too. What am I doing? Ultra amendment. Because आज भुरगे पण GECंतल्यान जे पण भायर सरताय तांकांय चॅलेंज आसताय. Challenge is what? They do not have the updated skills what is required by the industries. Research output सारखे लो आसता. There are few funded interdisciplinary projects in Goa Engineering College. Even though the alumni today of Goa Engineering College has reached worldwide, is significant, well positioned globally, there is no unified alumni engagement framework. Zero. Speaker sir, I call this, I demand that Goa Engineering College should undertake an urgent infrastructure modernization with labs, with hostels, classrooms, central library, electrical, mechanical, civil engineering. This should be a center of excellence for data science, renewable energy, robotics, smart infrastructure. J curriculum of Goa Engineering College, ये should be in line with NEP 2020, National Credit Framework. एक flexibility आसपाक जाय, vocational integration आसपाक जाय. As per NEP in this particular thing, this is missing. म्हाका दिसता हे जोरीतोर मुखेलमंत्रीन लक्ष घालपाक जाय, एक रिसर्च प्रमोट करपाक, ज्या पद्धतीन कोस्टल इंजिनियरिंग, मरीन रोबोटिक्स, वेस्ट टू एनर्जी सिस्टम्स, वॉट गोवा दिस आमचे भुरगे ते पण हेल्प करपाक सोदता ओ करपाक सोदता तांकां हे सारखे गोवा स्पेसिफिक research sectors need to be developed. Speaker sir, जे एक structured continuing engineering education program, a continued engineering program for working professionals, for teachers across Goa, this needs to be introduced. This is not there. कोण जोरी तोर 70 वर्सां शिकपाक सोदिता ताका आज तो program ना. It needs to be basically a continued structured engineering education program. Speaker sir, if we remain passive in times of today with regards to Goa Engineering College, let us not forget that this institute today once was an inspired academic excellence, not only in Goa, across the Konkan region, entire Konkan region. This must not fade. And as legislators, म्हाका दिसता आमी हेजेर हुई ना हुई फेल जाते, भुरग्यांचो फुडार हो सरकार म्हाका दिसता लक्षच ना. आता येता सर Goa College of Art. आज despite this college having a legacy, this college today also is outdated infrastructure, outdated studios, outdated workshops, digital labs required urgent repairs. आता एक potential ask कसा कि this college is detached from Goa's art and cultural institution, including museum, galleries, and public art initiatives. Integration with the state tourism, education or heritage promotion strategies, there is no integration. It needs to be integrated. It's because a student parting in the Goa College of Art lack modern equipment, mentorship and opportunities. It's because I demand, looking at the way the Goa College of Art is functioning, कि आमी एक fully equipped studio, gallery and residential blocks. ये तिंगा Goa College of Art and immediately expedition of the new college campus needs to have this. एक diploma certificate course in digital art, in animation, in the जावपाक जाय. Because set up a college of art fund, एक fund तयार करपाक या art fundan speaker sir to support student scholarships, exhibition आणि international exchange program हे जायना जी एक part of the college it has to be converted into a living studio. आता why I say living studio or a community art space जे भायले गोंयकाराक थिंगा वचपाक other public during vacation legacy material faculty publication आणि visual documentation हे सगळे digitalize जावपाची गरज आसा archive करून digitalize जावपाची गरज आसा स्पीकर सर एक adequate studio equipment जितून कॅमेरा डिजिटल प्रिंटर स्कल्पचर टूल्स खूप खूप गरजेचे जायत इंतू स्कोप आसा स्पीकर सर सगळे हांव उलयना पूण म्हाका दिसता basic courses to introduce into there are courses today they are art today is a form you can art of criticism art law art therapy intellectual property these are courses why doesn't the college have these are courses that need to be introduced today. Goa needs an institute that nurtures creativity maga this at the highest level not just an underfunded infrastructure sark na artan hoi pawle to obara ek painting Vishwajita hobar hati एक painting 5 कोटी होते 10 कोटी थोडे जाणांक आहाय ते पेंटिंग आहाय इतले कोटी कोटी कोटीच पण आमगे हिंगा रूमू सारक नाही सारकी लक्ष घालपाक जाय सर म्हाका दिसता आज मुखेलमंत्री हिंगा ना Goa College of Architecture also same problem same absolutely global potential je pade ha we have the potential because of our Indo-Portuguese heritage and this needs to be showcased at the worldwide because of our tropical urbanism जे एक scenic ecological setting आसा ये ही कॉलेज इस्टॅब्लिश जाली 1982 अंत भाई तुम सगळे मोठे काँग्रेसीन काय केलें ना आयकत मच बिकॉज सर मातशें हें जाता मातशें आज स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता की the college has not been empowered with resources, autonomy or the vision. Absolutely lacking. Chief Minister seems to be, I don't know what he's going to say of architecture. Fakt building malya mona. Courses aspak jai. Declare this college as a center of excellence in tropical and coastal architecture. Why is this not done? Speaker sir, ek focus aspak jai. Aaj itle building jata. Sagle kode building. Consultancy cell and a research center to be focused on climate resilient buildings, disaster safe designs, indigenous local technology local technologies should be put. Ek green building design, खूप गरजेचे, smart architecture, आणि आमची conservation करपाक with Goa's Indo-Portuguese style. म्हाका दिसता हेजेर या डिपार्टमेंटान खूप गरजेचे आसा जे आमी जे ट्रेडिशनली लॅटराइट कोकोनट टिंबर लोकल लाइन प्लास्टर जे पण यूज कोताय दिस ट्रेडिशनल मटेरियल्स वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ लिविंग लॅबोरेटरी इन दिस गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर दिस इज आर आमची ही परंपरा आमी राखपाक जाय ही आमची संस्कृती हे राखपाक जाय स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता जे पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट प्रोग्राम आहाय with regards to sustainable architecture and heritage studies. इंतूनूय changes हाडपाची गरज आसा. Speaker sir, आता government polytechnic पणजे हिंगाय सेम ही 1963 आंत हाडली आमच्या पणजेच्या गावात आणि जे डिप्लोमा लेवल flagship technical institute today it has contributed significantly आज Speaker sir to Goa's technical workforce over so many decades, especially in civil, mechanical and electrical. But today, challenge किती आहे with Goa Polytechnic Panje because of outdated curriculum, limited infrastructure, low industry engagement, and employment as outcome absolutely minimum. Because जे emerging areas like renewable energy, automation, industry safety, environment technology, these areas are not there. These needs to be looked into by the Honorable Chief Minister. Student enrollment per certain admission this is on a decline. आनी हे जरी तो चोयल्यार स्पीकर साहेब म्हाका दिसता हे रिवॅम्प करपाक जाय सिलेबस ऑल अक्रॉस द स्टेट. वी नीड टू स्पीकर सर सेट अप अ स्किल सर्टिफिकेशन शॉर्ट टर्म मॉड्यूल. आनी हे कोर्सीस जरी तर आमी पयलींचे घेवन रावल्यार भुरगे भायर सोदाय तांकां ते ग्रास्प जायना. कित्याक बेसिकली द आयडिया इज द करिक्युलम इट सेल्फ इज आउटडेटेड. स्पीकर सर बिचोलीचे पॉलिटेक्निक पडे हा तेजे चड उलयना आमी तो आमदार ना. बट बेसिकली द आयडिया वॉज टू इस्टॅब्लिश टू डिसेंट्रलाइज येट टेक्निकल इंस्टिट्यूट्स or a technical education. That was the idea. Anik, if you look at it today closely, interior taluka che gramin bagan pade hai, its potential has been grossly underutilized. He jaina kidak because challenge potengel hai potun azun curriculum che tinga sarke if you relevant local region issues like mining restoration, rural infrastructure, water conservation, agro processing technologies. These are things or reforms that need to be brought in. It's not happening. आज सिंगा faculty ची shortage, hostel facilities are inadequate. There is a decline of student enrollment numbers. Anik गरज आहा की we revise this course offerings. We need to introduce, Speaker sir, and launch the industry interface program. खूप गरजेचे लोकांक local artisanक repair unitank anik micro enterprises into the polytechnic ecosystem. Henka hadpachi garoz asa. म्हाका दिसता in Goa today we need to have an inclusive and regionally balanced development even in the education system. Pharmacy college intui जरी तो इतले फार्मा 100 फार्मा युनिट हाय कॉलेजीत तिंगा सारखे कोर्सेस सारखे ना इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ना जे सगळे फार्माचे स्पीकर सर भुरगे पडे हाय सगळे गो आउटसाइड गोवा. Then we blame the pharmaceutical units of taking people from outside. The basic problem today is this government needs to rethink on several of their policies. Basically, because my on mines. Others because the budget estimate is 27.64 crores. Anek mining I call it as a double-edged sword. A double-edged sword because traditionally or historically, it has brought prosperity of jobs to some regions, but it has also brought irreversible ecological damage to the state of Goa. It has brought legal chaos and social conflict. Others because fresh leases jenna ye mining grant kelele hai, we expect Mukhel Mantri jaw सदांच मोठा एक event करपा म्हणून. आज जातले फाल जातले केन्ना जातले केन्ना सुरवात जातली आमदार जाल्या पयलींच्यान तेच मोठो उमके हे जाणा चोयल्या सद्या एक्सेप्ट 2 मायनिंग आर वर्किंग. आनीक 3 स्पीकर सर द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ मायन्स एंड जर्थिंग आहा बाबा तो डायरेक्टरेट दिसती पड म्हाका तो आनी बारीक जाला ते स्ट्रेसाचे आनी सुखला ते म्हाका दिसता तो मायन्स डायरेक्टर आहा ते सारखे मुखेलमंत्री बारा बसून सारखे रिजॉल्व करपाक जाय इश्यू रिजॉल्व करपाक जाय. मायनिंग सुरवात केन्ना जातली फूल स्पेक्ट्रम ट्रान्सपेरन्सी आसपाक जाय सगळे कोर्टां वयताय डिसिजन पयर एक आनी एक जालें टेक्निकल रिजनाचे मायन उमकी एक बीड उडयली कोण ऑप्शन करता 130%, 120%, 140%. म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर एक सायंटिफिक रिगर इज वॉट इज नॉट देयर करंटली इन द मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री. आतां with the backbone of Goa being primarily tourism currently, mining economy today is resting in peace. फक्त आमकां आज जातले फाल जातले डेट दीत आहे. सरकारान ऑप्शन केला सांगला की 9 more iron ore mining leases. It is informed that 12 mineral blocks consisted of 24 mining leases have been e-auction. आणि 2 ते 3 स्टार्ट झाले म्हणून ते सांगताय. ओ मायनिंग पयलीं सुवातेर तुवें आमदार आसलो त्या वेळार मायनिंग बंद कोण केलो बीजेपीन केलो ह्याच सरकारान केलो. कितें सांगो न्हू 35,000 crores स्कॅम PAC रिपोर्ट पयलो हांव आमदार जालो तेन्ना तो रिपोर्ट सोदू भोंवलो एल्टन बाबींग हा PAC चेअरमॅन रिपोर्टू ना रिपोर्ट बुट्टो नाच 35,000 कोटींतल्यान 350 crores जाले 350 crores अजून पासून कोट्यांनी रुपया या माइन ओनर दिवपा अजून पासून आहे. And same mine owners who have to pay have participated in the bid. Traditionally this is defaulter. आता तू सॉरी तर आता आम जर डिफॉल्टर झाले आणि उमके बिल हारी केल ना आम डिस्क्वॉलिफाय जातले आमदार. पण तेंक तो कायदो लागना काय कितें. हांव रिपीटेडली ह्या सब्जेक्टाचेर कितलो उलयलो पूण हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर जे पिलगांव लोकांनी सकाळ बाप चंद्रकांत शेट्टी तेजेर उलयला पूण थिंगा लोक सफर जाता, ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेफ्टी हॅझर्ड जाता. 3 उल्लेख केलाय मुखेलमंत्री. गेल ते वर्सा बिचोली ह्या मायनीचेर 150 सुमार वर्कर आयले, तांकां रिट्रेंच केले. सकाळी हांवें सांगिल्लें हे वेदांता हे सेजा गोवा हिंची दादागिरी कोर्टा पेटिशन आसतना 89 सुमार लोकां 26 रिट्रेंच केले. When the petition is in the court, can you retrench them? And they belong to the chief minister's constituency. कित्याक दादागिरी जाता गोंयकाराक जरी तर जॉब ना. हांवें पयर सांगलें एक कॉलिंग अटेंशन आहलें एस के कायतान शैतान के कायतान वो बेंगलोर आयला, ट्रक घेवन आयला, मोटरसायकल घेवन येला, तुगेले मशीन घेवन येला, स्क्रीनिंग प्लांट घेवन येला. हे सगळे भायले येले. मागीर गोंयकारांक हितून मायनिंग पॉलिसींत हुणे कित्याक उमके ट्रक गोंयकाराचे, मशीन गोंयकाराचे पूण क्लॉज घालूंक ना. म्हाका दिसता हेजेर सरकारान नियाळ करपाक जाय. मायनिंग पॉलिसीन जे when it is being given, Goans today have to be protected. Because sir, जे मायनर मिनरल्स आता मायनर मिनरल्स जे पडे हा 12 zones for sand extraction in Zuari आणि मांडोवी. 185 applications have been given. आणि हेजेर आज EC चे मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय what is the reality. Auctioning of iron ore dumps, awarding of new leases केन्ना जातले, ह्या फायनान्शियल इयरान जातले ओ केन्ना जातले. स्पीकर सर, आज ज्या पद्धतीन एक अंडर द प्रीटेक्स्ट ऑफ ऑक्शन ऑफ कॉन्फिस्टिकेटेड ओर, मुखेलमंत्री हे इम्पॉर्टंट सीएम बाब हे इम्पॉर्टंट ऑक्शन ओवर पडा हा जे पण इलिगॅलिटी आले कॉन्फिस्टिकेट केले तेजेर इलिगॅलिटी चलता. आनीक सी मेटल एक्सपोर्ट्स
उत्तर दिता
सी मेटल एक्सपोर्ट तो बारीक जाला डायरेक्टर तुगेलो
तो बारीक जालो
तो एक्सायज आसतना मातसो आल्लो जुवानात सारको बारीक जाला.
तुम्ही तेका चड बारीक केला
म्हणजे तुगे पॉलिसी आहाय ते चोयन तो हे जाता ते मातशे पॉलिसी चेक करा. येस कंपनी सी मेटल एक्सपोर्ट पडा सर who have excavated fresh ore from the mining pit, transported it to Kapshe jetty. म्हणजे confiscated ore आल्लो ऐक सेम सर सेम बाब तो ऐक ना हांव सांगतो होय कापशे जेटीचे कॉन्फिस्टिकेट ओर आल्लो आणि ओइलो दुसरो न्यूज दुसरे कोडे धाडा आल्लो कॉन्फिस्टिकेट केला. हेजेर इन्क्वायरी कर मातशे. सी मेटल एक्सपोर्ट म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता की ज्या पद्धतीन शिरगांव डॅमेज जाला फॉर द एनवायरमेंट, डॅमेज जाला with regards to orchard lands, crumbling infrastructure, all of this because sir sustainable जे तू म्हणटा sustainable mining जावपाक जाय. पिसुल्ले surrounding areas, severe groundwater depletion, disruption of springs. पोत्तून म्हाका दिसता जे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ऑफ ओर हे जे हॅबिटेशन एरिया हा लोक जेन्ना हिंगा प्रोटेस्ट करतात दिस हॅव ओनली बीन जस्ट अ फ्लॅश पॉइंट. आतां स्पीकर सर एक ट्रान्सपेरन्सी ऑन रॉयल्टी आणि एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फंडाची हिंगा चर्चा जाली आणि त्या वेळार स्पीकर सर मुखेलमंत्री म्हणपाक लागलो दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक हॅव नॉट बीन गिवन. You said district mineral fund is not been distributed. Now this was basically for mining affected people. Vague beautification, gym equipment, also outside mining areas. You have given this, use this particular fund. instead of water restoration, instead of health care, instead of skilling of affected families. And that's because, sir, important issue that I would like to bring to the Honorable Chief Minister, also to get photo Gold in Goa. I check केल्या ती website ukti केल्या तुगे photo तेजेर start Gold in Goa. Gold in Goa by Dr. Nandakumar Kamath. हे तुगे पयली एक photo सारको
फोटो वरून घालता रे कावकिरी करता.
होय. हेजेर कितें आहा that the petition has been sent to the Honorable Prime Minister to ensure implementation of the policy note given to Chief Minister. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता 2-3 meetings जाल्यो with the Honorable Chief Minister. And this is a very, very serious issue. मातशें आयक हें सीएम मातशें तूं शक्तिमान जाला रे गो. सगळे आयकता, चलता, धांवता, हसता. सगळे मातशें आयक हें इम्पॉर्टंट. हेजेर मातशें एड्रेस कर. इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू. आतां स्पीकर सर एक मल्टी एलिमेंटल जिओकेमिकल एनालिसिस जे जावपाक जाय with regards to mineral resources that have been extracted, especially in non-ferrous and minor minerals. This particular subject of gold in Goa.in, and if you see, it was explained to the Honorable Chief Minister by a scientist who has deepest concern for the state of Goa, Dr. Nandakumar Kamath. And म्हाका दिसता बाब कालुसान हो issue raise केलेलो आसा. No one knows today what these trace elements or rare earths are being exported. What is it exported to? Under the garb of low iron ore or non-silica fraction of river sand. Speaker sir, yes, silence जरी तो चोयल्यार जे end users पडे हाय भायले abroad, and this erodes the Goa's rightful share of this mineral wealth. The department has also failed today to regularly publish environmental and social impact monitoring reports from mining sites. ये Supreme Court mandate केलेले आणि एक public गेले expectation आले. The status today remains vague about mining closure plans, about ये माचे दिस ये मादी माचे.
दिले त्याड.
हेजे माचे ओलो येतो. Speaker sir, reclamation, groundwater recharge, biodiversity restoration, ये म्हाका दिसता local communities आज सगळे आख्खे, why don't we do it scientifically? पत्ते तेच करू जाय पयली कित्याक बंद जालो तें. Speaker sir, आज illegal sand extraction जे पड गोंयांत जाता, they are carried out with mechanized barges, trucks, under the cover of night. उमको एक भितर येवपाक 500 रुपया अशें सांगताय. उमको एक ट्रक, उमको ये येवपाक. Unchecked in many rivers, so-called regulation of minor minerals today is marred by corruption, by political interference and weak enforcement. Ejer म्हाका दिसता Speaker sir, amka and I demand that the Honorable Chief Minister you introduce a mandatory multi-elemental analysis of every mining consignment. I got to CM. तो ऐक ना मरे. तू ऐकतो खबर आहा मायनिंग म्हळ्यार तू ऐकतो खबर आहा म्हाका. स्पीकर सर, एक ऑडिट आसपाक जाय ऑफ ऑल द लिगसी मायनिंग पिट्स, डंप साइट, रिहॅबिलिटेशन प्रोसेसेस, मायनिंग क्लोजर प्लॅन्स आणि जे एन्व्हायरमेंटल मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन जाय. These public documents with timeline. This has to be put in public domain. Annual mining impact report in the state of Goa, assembly-wise, district-wise. This has to be made transparent. एक public mineral intelligence unit, खूप गरजेचे to track this global trend in mineral pricing. म्हाका दिसता no-go zones have to be declared by the government in wildlife corridors, in forest sanctuaries, in eco-sensitive areas. Scientific sand mining, या सरकाराचे कितें लक्ष आहा with regards to sand mining. सगळे illegalities चलता, coming from other states. We all know, but what is the government doing? आणि जे illegally हे transport करता, how many people have been penalized? How many people have been penalized, Speaker sir? These are things कि at the end, while speaking on mining, I would conclude कि म्हाका दिसता let us not repeat the mistakes of the past. or not allow opacity today to define Goa's mineral future. खूप गरजेचे because आम्ही as legislators let this house, it is its duty, and Chief Minister needs to assert us. He needs to assert us that to ensure that mining serves not only for profits, but the people of the state of Goa. ज्या पद्धतीन आज few mining companies are working and तेंगेली दादागिरी चलता. Goans are thrown out. ओ चंद्रकांत शेट्टीन सांगला की ट्रान्सफराच्या नावान. Why have to go to court, and why is the Chief Minister not taking serious cognizance of this? Sub judice musu जायते selective घेताय. Sub judice मुझे जायते selective. माय हें कोता ये माका दिसता हेजेर is a very very serious thing issues because आतां because येता civil aviation आचे. Civil aviation आचे जेन्ना हांव उलयता because हांवें सुरवातेक सांगलेलें. International Civil Aviation Organization, that is the parent body of aviation, has clearly stated that the feasibility of 2 aerodromes in close proximity will not happen, and eventually Dabolim would be made into a ghost airport. It has happened in Bangalore, it has happened, you see the Juhu airport in Mumbai, you look at the Palam airport in Delhi, you look at airports in several other states, several things are known as ghost airport. Anda Mukhil Mantri Baab, Tourism Minister Baab, जायते त्यांचो मोग हा मोग दाखोवन दिताय दाबोली लागून. But it is very clear cut that the Ministry of Civil Aviation has said that they cannot instruct any airline operator or they cannot force any airline operator. This is very very clear to come to Goa. They cannot force. It is their right as per DG. I gelo. Mache raw behem. Huh? काबार कोता राव तोडे उला काय ऐकना मग तुम्ही तुगे घेण्यात आणि हे आम रिस्क करता काय उलयना माशे बुरे सांग नाही का माझे बुरे माशे
तू आता उलयले सगळे बरोवन धाडला म्हाका
बरयले ते बिस्ते काय बरयला
तू जितके उलयता तितके ते बरयता उरलेले धाडून दितले वगीत
हे इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू उलयता
सगळे इश्यू तुजे रिजॉल्व करता चड उलयता तो मागीर राहुल
ना स्पीकर सर अरे
आता एक वर झाले
डिमांड आहे
आता एक वर झाले मरे आज कितले 2 डिपार्टमेंट मरे ती एक एज्युकेशन माइन्स आणि ट्रायबल झाले
आणि दुसरे आहे ते पिस्ते चिल्लरू दुसरे
म्युझियम
अरे 45 आहे तुकडे म्युझियम म्हणून मोठं म्युझियमाचे उलयता स्पीकर सर जे today 2 major airports are now commercial airport is a rarity today for the small state of Goa. Dual airport model today has triggered confusion, competition and एक operational overlap. Mukhil Mantri म्हाका दिसता clear cut हांव सांगपाक सोदता being from that field that these 2 airports cannot coexist. It cannot be governed but be utilized for maximum public benefit. And that's because Daboli airport पडा तुका तो important issue. This remains under the operational control of the Indian Navy, and there are restrictions here, especially on civilian flights. MOPA is developed through a PPP model, and inga high user development fees, restricted public oversight, and monopolistic practices. This is what is happening. So it is because no strategy of this government to promote region or air connectivity under UDAN, no roadmap for a cargo aviation policy. Speaker sir, whatever the Chief Minister has to say about Dabolim, it is even Bab Rowan County has gone with a delegation. We all know that it is going to be a ghost airport. He headache. Speaker sir, Chief Minister does not have any roadmap. Definitely not when you are competing with a big private player. आता सोर्या थिंगा इकरा आहे मोपा तेजेर येता मोपाचे इकरा गोंयकार गेले नाही इकरा तो 9 बायल मनशां दिले आउटलेट 2 जाण गोंयकारा दिले म्हणजे नाही अल्कोहोल इंडस्ट्री मनीस नाही सोर्या आउटलेट सोर्याचे हा मोपा एअरपोर्टाचेर कोण पास केली फायलो कोणा अंडर येता कोण पास केली स्पीकर सर आज म्हाका दिसता की यू नीड टू चॉक आउट अ रोड मॅप. We should see at airlines entering Dabolim. What we are saying is only exit. Only exit. We need to make also Dabolim effective, attractive. Honorable Minister of Aviation, Magadista, has given only empty assurances, only and slogans. Yeah, election issue no. You look at the figures, they're absolutely dropping. Speaker sir, ani ek mudda is what I want to point out. Although it is a central subject, but the Minister of Civil Aviation should know that DGCA's, Director General Civil Aviation's understaffing and regulatory weakness. Over 55% of the technical posts in DGCA's remain vacant. This weakens the ability today to enforce the aviation safety and operational regulation. Khas karun at both the airports. Speaker sir, this Goa Gatwick flight, जी साधारण जे आमचे भाव लंडनच्यान येता ते फ्लायट केन्ना सुरवात जातली म्हाका दिसता हेजेर मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय ज्या पद्दतीन स्पीकर सर आज द एक्सपान्शन मुखेलमंत्रीन 2 वर्सां आदीं सांगलेलें मोपा एअरपोर्टाचेर एक GGIALS एविएशन स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट सेंटर हे पण मोपा हाडलें आनी जे पेडणेकाराचे जे हाल जाता पयलीं सो तेंगे ते सारके पयशे दिल्ले जे शेतां हे कोण पयशे दिवपाक ते दिल्ले टॅक्सी भावाक थिंगा सारके हे ना आनी फक्त ते स्विपर सेक्युरिटी बी पोस्ट दिले आहाय ते भितरले सगळे श्रीमंत लोक भायले सॅक्रिफायस उतर दिले हजारांनी जॉब क्रिएट जाता म्हणून कितले थिंगा पेडणेचे त्या मोपार एअरपोर्टार फॉरगेट गोवन्स इन जनरल वॉट अबाउट पेडणे दे हॅव सॅक्रिफायस देअर लँड्स हाऊ मेनी पीपल हॅव गॉट जॉब्स देअर स्पीकर सर जे GGIAL एविएशन स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट सेंटर या मोपान सांगलेले 1,500 जॉब लोकल जॉब स्पेशली फॉर डिस्प्लेस्ड फॅमिलीज current training capacity and outreach today remains limited. Many Goan youth today are without access to aviation employment. Ejer मुखेलमंत्री आमकां सांगपाक जाय. Speaker sir, एक research जोरी तो चोयला हेजा उलयला. When we look at the business outlets in both the airports, F&B stalls, alcohol stalls, all is gone to external contractors. It is said that out of 11 liquor outlets today in Mopa, only 2 are for locals. So, Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता एक खूप गरजेचें आहे की you get into a civil aviation policy 2025 outlining your airport governance, tariff regulation and land use of. नाल्या हे सगळे तुकाय डेंजर हे डेंजर सगळ्याक तुका खास करून चड डेंजर हे स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता कमिंग टू पब्लिक प्रायव्हेट पार्टनरशिप आता या पब्लिक प्रायव्हेट पार्टनरशिपाचे उलयतना स्पीकर सर द डिपार्टमेंट टुडे ऑफ द फिगर्स that the budget estimate is 16.72 crores. Unfortunately, Speaker sir, this PPP should have to be the nodal point for outsourcing public infrastructure. It is a nodal point in services to private operators in sectors like transport, health, education, urban development and so on. Unfortunately, in the state of Goa, PPP पण म्हणटा विजयान म्हणटे पासी पाड पडिल्ले project. PPP model in Goa suffers from a serious credibility issue. No one trusts this PPP. I'll tell you why, Speaker sir. एक perception create झाला गोंयभर that public assets and public services today are being handed over on a platter to private entities. And when they are handed over to private entities without adequate due diligence.
So under Rule 16 Clause 1, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours.
The motion is before the House. Those in favor may say ayes.
Aye.
Those against may say noes. Ayes have it, ayes have it, ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours.
Speaker sir, आज सारखे public consultation जायना, cost benefit transparency ना, आणि एक long term citizen safeguard when you are handing over these assets to private players, this is not being taken into confidence. Because provision is 7.5 crores. Honorable Chief Minister recorda गेलेलो आसा की 2 major PPP based projects, Donapola Convention Center and Sanjeevani Sugar Factory. ये तो मुखार वतलो 3 years have happened. आणि खास करून हे संजीवनी शुगर फॅक्टरीचे फार्मर भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांचे स्वप्न शेती लोकांक शेतकारांक हेजो फायदो जावपाक जाय म्हणून पूण थिंगा चोयल्यार सरकाराची नदर आहा ती जमनीचेर आनी थिंगा IIT येता म्हूण आयकूं येता श्रीमंत लोकांक सगळ्यो जमीन दिवपाचें हें सरकाराचें लक्ष आनी कांय ना लक्ष ओनली लँड एलियनेशन taking out the land from the state of Goa, handing it over to private players in the name of private universities, in the name of different other topics. Because आता एक मुखेलमंत्री त्या वेळार सांगले की एक NBCC or a central PSU will be entrusted to these several key government redevelopment projects like Janta House, Government Garage, Vasco Bus Stand, तुगेले यहाँ प्रशासन स्तंभ पणजी सर्किट हाऊस तुगेले हेजे उलयत ना थिंगा कोण एकलो 450 फ्लॅट घाता प्रायवेट आनी लोकांक थिंग घुसमट बोवाड केला when they are handing over such thing is carrying capacity being checked in that small issue 450 into if you keep 4 people living in that flat makes 1600 to whatever 1700 odd people it changes the demography so doesn't the government have that amount to create a small proper bus stand and proper facilities, minimum facilities. Speaker sir, आज ज्या पद्धतीन दोन फायनान्शियल इयर झाले हांवें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन कन्वेन्शन सेंटर गव्हर्नमेंट गराज आणि सर्किट हाऊस हेजेर मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय आज मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स इन PPP लायक मनोहर इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट सॉलिड वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स ई-गव्हर्नन्स प्लॅटफॉर्म्स बस टर्मिनल्स आणि वॉटरफ्रंट रिडेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स टुडे have raised doubts. They have raised questions about their concession agreements, about revenue sharing models, about exit clauses, about escalation clauses, about regulatory oversight. Most of these projects, agreements that are made lack all these things. Because म्हाका दिसता active PPP project गोंयांत खंयचे आसा तेंगेले timeline, तेमची budgeted cost overruns, grievance mechanism म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय put it through a dashboard put it out because हेजो social impact पड जाता is not basically not looked at local bodies lack the expertise today within the state government to negotiate I charge for a fair PPP contract the department lacks this leads to dependency on external contractors हे सगळे मागीर कमिनात आसता opaque tendering and emergence of a monopoly or I call it cartels in the PPP speaker sir हे चोवपाक म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां हेजेर it's a very serious issue about how sunset clauses are been put how an annual public report card should be made public state PPP audit whatever is happening annually. Goa, as I conclude on this PPPs, because म्हाका दिसता गोंय should not become a passive, only a rentier state. फक्त rent दिवपाक. Public-private partnership पडे हाय must work for the public, not just for the private. सद्या चलता ते only working for the private, not for the public. We must balance this efficiency with equity. And investment आसपाक जाय with accountability. Development today should happen with democracy. This is what is lacking in the PPP. And that's because sir, planning and statistics आचे उलयतना आज ज्या पद्धतीन हे प्लॅनिंग एंड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स डिपार्टमेंट चलपाक जाय जे लास्ट बजेटान फिगर दिल्लो पयलेच उलयता की ती ऑब्झर्वेटरी टावर रेडी आहा प्लॅनिंग एंड स्टॅटिस्टिक्साचो प्लॅन ऑब्झर्वेटरी टावर हांव 7 दीस त्या 3-4 दीस पणजे आसलो म्हाका जर केन्ना केलें नितीन गडकरी बाईन केन्ना कब हो गया ये चमत्कार और ये अगर देखें तो त्या उलयना फायद ना स्पीकर सर ये प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट टुडे ऑब्झर्वेटरी टावर्स पळय येल्ले ते इट इज सेड दैट प्लॅनिंग सेड दैट इट इज ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड मोगे प्रोजेक्ट पळय कुंकोळे सगळे कंप्लीटेड म्हणून दाखयले पर्टिक्युलरली ते सो फक्त हे दाखोवपाक दिसता केला काम तुगेले आसतले तुगे शारान चेक कराय स्पीकर सर टुडे प्लॅनिंग इन द डिपार्टमेंट कंटिन्यूज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट टू फंक्शन मोर एज अ dispersal and a reporting agency. I call this, change the name from planning and statistics, call it a reporting agency. You have to be an engine of development strategy. You all are only reporting, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, जे planning गोंय जावपाक जाय, top down, fragmented, and it has to be reactive. There is no update on the state vision document. What is the vision of this government? No real-time district planning committees. They are not functioning effectively. Speaker sir, एक linkage जे पड जावपाक जाय between budget allocation and measurable outcomes. No linkage. No, absolutely no connectivity. This is failure. Planning exercise पड जाता है. They do not reflect ground realities. What is happening on the ground? Populationचे dynamics, ecological sensitivities, and sectoral gaps. This is what is missing. Speaker sir, आता कोणता dead or सांगला बस Speaker sir. Speaker sir, काबराल फुगार जाता बिक्क्याचो कामो. अरे सूट शिवून मग तुवें 8 तारखेकू बुता बिता सारके घाल मातशें लूज दवर लूज मातशें दवर इलास्टीक घाल सूट शिवून मातशें तुवें सारकें तुवें. स्पीकर सर, आज जे द स्कोप ऑफ डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ प्लॅनिंग एंड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स एंड इव्हॅल्युएशन टुडे इफ वी लुक public program today is limited. Directorate today is a nodal agency for implementing Swaympurna Goy programs and SDG goals. Swaympurna tori आंक दिसना. Swaympurna एक खाते जरी तो दाखवल्यार आमकां that Goa has become Swaympurna or self-reliant shows one particular department. Speaker sir, this government is boasting about Swaympurna and the output. Department answer why they are not functioning. 91 posts are vacant in this department. 91. Speaker sir, ये bus pot चलता there's a driver ना. Director post itself is vacant. Director ना गाड़ी चलोपाक. गाड़ी बिस्ती होई था एशी. हो तो इधर. Director ना. Speaker sir, गोवा में ये पहली बार हो रहा है. ऐसा हमको तो लग रहा है. ऑटोनॉमस डिपार्टमेंट इन गोवा 3 ड्राइवराचे पोस्ट, 4 स्टॅटिस्टिकल असिस्टंट, 3 डेटा मॅनेजर, 3 स्टेनोचे पोस्ट, 40 पोस्ट ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टिगेटर्स आर वेकंट. हाउ इज द डिपार्टमेंट टुडे फंक्शनिंग विदाउट स्टाफ? हाउ कैन दे फंक्शन विदाउट स्टाफ? स्पीकर सर, ये डिपार्टमेंट पढ़ा the driving force is communication and collaboration between central government and the state government for various schemes and implementation. As of parinam, aam jante se jata. Speaker sir, je department that supported in this 95 as a role ha ki 95 DPRs of other departments still this cell of this department has to support preparations of 95 DPRs. 95! And shortage kitlo ha? 91 posts are vacant. Yes, Swaympurna. हे कितें Speaker sir? तुवें आमकां म्हाका मुखेलमंत्र्यांक सांगपाक जाय. हेजेर जोरी तर चोयल्यार हे पर्टिक्युलर प्लॅनिंग एंड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स इज ऑल्सो इनटू इव्हेंट्स. सगळे पोस्ट फॅक्टो. तेजेर हांव येता पोस्ट फॅक्टो. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल आर पोस्ट फॅक्टो. स्पीकर सर, आज critical cross-cutting are not integrated into a cohesive plan. Youth unemployment, water stress, goinchi carrying capacity, housing for the poor, urban mobility, rural livelihood regeneration. This should be the agenda of the Planning and Statistics Department. But that for the event korpak. You have not adopted this department to any modern tools. No, absolutely no modern tools. No spatial development models. No GIS systems. कांच ना. Outdated. काल मुखेलमंत्री म्हणून लावलो कन्व्हिक्शन म्हणून 20 स्क्वेअर मीटर आपण जागा घालतो 200 स्क्वेअर मीटर घाल 200 स्क्वेअर मीटर आणि ते देव बरकर म्हणून लावलो ते डायरेक्टर हे जे कन्व्हिक्शन आणि कोणी जावपाक हा स्पीकर सर वेर आर वी हेडिंग देयर हॅज टू बी विजन स्पीकर सर जे स्टेट प्लॅनिंग बोर्ड पडा इज नॉट एम्पावर्ड or not functionally active with regards to this particular planning and statistics. It lacks any, it into sarke expert representation nahi. पब्लिकाचे कन्सल्टेशनाचे मेकॅनिझम ना, हितून मिनट्स आणि रिपोर्ट सारखे पब्लिश जायनाय, हितून एन्युअल प्लॅन्स आर ओनली इन्क्रिमेंटल and there is minimal inter-departmental synergy, absolutely no coordination. 95 लोकां हे DPR करपाक तांगेलो रोलूय आहा DPR विथड्रॉ करपाक म्हादयचो. म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर एक उदाहरण तुका दिता. एक ईशा फाउंडेशन मारलो काब्राल बाबिंग आहा तो मिनिस्टर आसतना इव्हेंट टेन करूंक. ईशा फाउंडेशनान सद्गुरू म्हणटाय ते काडो ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान सद्गुरू हाडो बरें आहा म्हणटा बाब रवी नायक काय ना एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर. आनीक प्रोग्राम केलो शेतकाराक हेचो बेनिफीट जातलो म्हणून. आता सेफ सॉइल कॅम्पेनाचे हांवें प्रश्न घातलो की MOU पळय आहा तेजो बेनिफीट गोंयकाराक जाला काय कितें, MOU बेनिफीट सायन जालो तो इम्प्लिमेंट जाला काय कितें. LAQ दोन आन्सर मेळ्ळा म्हाका. LAQ 155 ऑन 19 जुलै टोटल कॉस्ट दाखयला 3 crores 32 lakhs इव्हेंट. दुसरे 1C होच प्रश्न दाखयला 4 कोटी 10 लाख. एक हेजे 332 एक हेजे 4 कोटी 10 लाख. सद्गुरू आणि हे पोस्ट फॅक्टो सद्गुरू मार्च 22 बायकाचेर भोंवतालो USA बी आमी चयला हिंग येयलो ऑगस्टान. मागीर पोस्ट फॅक्टो कित्याक दिवपाक जाय आसलें तें USA सांगलें आपूण आतां हाल्या येत म्हणून. हे पोस्ट फॅक्टो केन्ना बॉन्ड जातलें हे दुयेंस. This has to be a basically post facto approval. Today is the thumb rule of this government. It cannot be the thumb rule, Speaker sir. Everything is post facto. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता की ज्या पद्धतीन this nomination happens, you've seen what has happened basically with these post facto approvals. Was this event to build Sadhguru's image? What did Goa benefit from that? LAQ of my reply states no work has been started by Isha Foundation, though it has signed MOU in 2022. What are the steps taken by Isha Foundation to fulfill this MOU, Speaker sir? जायते नाचताले स्टेजीचेर काब्राल बाब आल्लो आनी ते नाचताचो चल ना तूं आल्लो इव्हेंटा तूं आल्लो त्या टायमा इव्हेंटा तूं फामाद मरे. स्पीकर सर हे जायतो नाचताले स्टेजीचेर थोडेशे पण म्हाका दिसता आज is this money spent only on that program there and कितले शेतकार थिंगा येयले त्या प्रोग्रामाक कितलो सॉइल इरोजन और सॉइल टेस्टिंगाचो बेनिफीट जालो. स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता खूब खूब गरजेचें आहा. आनी एक पॉइंट आउट हांव करपाक सोदता. एकूय इव्हेंट मिर्ची रिपब्लीक ही मिर्ची चड तिखट चड तीख आहा. कित्याक तीख आहा स्पीकर सर आज हो इव्हेंट मिर्चीन केलो दुसरो इव्हेंटाचेर येता होय स्पीकर सर PM विश्वकर्मा योजना या ओरिएंटेशनाक गोंयभर 20 कोटी रुपया was spent on this program. 20 crores. आता program that was held on 8th November 2023. Anik, I have an RTI with me. This RTI says that the Department of Planning and Statistics informed that one company named Mirchi Republic was appointed on nomination basis for advertising campaign organizing Kaushal Mahotsav on PM Vishwakarma scheme in Goa. आता हेजे मुखारचे बजेट आशिल्ले 5 कोटी 23 lakhs 56,616. पार्ट एआन इनवॉइस जोरी तो चला स्पीकर सर 1 कोटी 55 lakhs 8,000 has been spent on logistic. Only logistic means for hiring of cars and whatever and orientation program. And then the heights is because part B in that invoice shows 2 crores 88 lakhs odd has been spent on promotional material, banner and on standees. 2 crore hoishila. And the part B, and this is the main part. A4 size and the एक flyer करपाक कितले पैसे लागता स्पीकर सर? कितले लागता? Maximum 60 पैसे. येमी स्पीकर सर एक A4 size flyer cost घालपाक 5 rupees 10 पैसे. 5 रुपया 10 पैसे एक A4 size flyer काढपाक. ये हुई चलता स्पीकर सर. This is corruption. स्पीकर सर विस्टा प्रिंट म्हणून आहा हांवें मागीर चोयल तेन्ना हांवें आज दिसते प्रिंट करूं जाय 1.5 रुपया मॅक्सिमम घेताय. दिस इज द हायस्ट क्वालिटी इन द स्टेट. or in the country you can say they print. एक A4 size आजी सी एक और ₹5 दापुइश ती केसली रेट आणि नॉमिनेशन दिवपू आणि एका लाखांनी पैसे मोडले. Can you imagine, Speaker sir? Yeah, Vishwakarma, the Prime Minister, what he has said about Vishwakarma. Vishwakarmas who create something or the other by working hard with their hand, tools or equipments are the builders of the country. This is what the Prime Minister has said. This is not my statement. Speaker sir, but by looking at this, the way the corruption in this particular department couldn't make their hands strong. They have sharpened their tools to drive their equipments. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता इव्हेंटाचेर आमी खूब उलयले आनी द वे कित्याक ते पोस्ट फॅक्टो घेवप सगळे कडेन गेल्या नाव पर्टिक्युलर इव्हेंट you all don't have a calendar of events. Why the last minute are you all advertising? Why you all are not tendering these particular things? How many crores of rupees in the last 5 years? 500-600 crores to 700 crores, all nomination. And we know what is happening to this nomination. Speaker sir, 5 minutes सोपयता. 5 minutes सोपयता. तो हॉर्लिक्स भी पिनेला. हॉर्लिक्स पिनेला हम. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता एक गरजेचें की इन द प्लॅनिंग एंड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स डिपार्टमेंट प्रिपेअर्स अ विजन 2040 डॉक्युमेंट. एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लॅनिंग कमिटी आसपाक जाय, मंथली मिटिंग्स, पब्लिक हियरिंग, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड डिसिजन मेकिंग. तिसरें एक स्टेट डेटा ऑब्झर्वेटरी, डेटा एनालिटिक्स सेल. I don't know what they are doing. What in drafting these DPRs and all these things, because एक socio-economic special and environmental data for all talukas. Because ग्राम पंचायत डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन्स खूप गरजेचे बारीक लोकांक. 73rd, 74th amendment allows the people of the state that they need to participate. We need to basically get this into this budget formulation cycle. Their views. We need to, Speaker sir, launch capacity building and the staff तुगेलो CM बाब तो ड्रायव्हर तुगे तो बस चलोवपा तोच ना तो डायरेक्टर ना डायरेक्टर इज मिसिंग. ती बस पा हुंयच्या वयता चेक कर. आणि लास्ट स्टेज उलयता Speaker sir ट्रायबल वेलफेअराचे. आज I have observed, and these are observations, Chief Minister 2 days ago was very vocal about the tribal welfare department. Budget जरी तो चल्यार reduction in 25-26 for almost all the schemes of tribal welfare compared to revised estimates of 24-25. Speaker sir, the Honorable Chief Minister should throw a light on this current financial year. The implementation of Forest Right Act, 40% it has been reduced. Special coaching for ST students, 50% reduced. Vidya Lakshmi scheme, 33% reduced. Water supply, capital and tribal subplan, 50% reduced. Speaker sir, I would like to bring अनेक म्हाका दिसता ट्रायबलाचे जायते उलयले. इट वॉज एक पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन मेळपाक जाय म्हणून हिंगाच्यानूच एक प्रायव्हेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशन गेल्ले. एवरीवन युनॅनिमसली सपोर्टेड इट. आनीक म्हाका दिसता आज आय वूड लायक टू गेट अ पर्टिक्युलर केस. पेपर हाडलाय, पेपर मागीर दिता. आज 2-7 दीस आदी पेपराचे येयल्ले ते. स्पीकर सर, एक ट्रायबल लेडी 69 year old अच्छे आयक CM 69 year old प्यादात कुलासोमो हे जेन्ना दावोलीचे जेन्ना पारोडाच्या गांवांत जेन्ना गेले, शी वॉज रॉब्ड ऑफ ऑन द प्रिटेक्स ऑफ गिविंग अ लिफ्ट दिवपा कारणाक दिस तो पळो ताका ही बायक दिली तुमी आज. ते वयतले सुसेगाद वयतले घरा, कांय पिवपाक गरज ना. ही सिनियर सिटीजन पळया स्पीकर सर, शी वॉज रॉब्ड, हू इज अ वेजिटेबल वेंडर. आनी वेजिटेबल वेंडर म्हाका दिसता फ्रॉम द ट्रायबल कम्युनिटी. तेजे भांगार वॉज रॉब्ड. इट इज कम ऑन द न्यूज पेपर. गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट्स अंडर द प्रिटेक्स ऑफ अ लिफ्ट. म्हाका दिसता that accused girl पळय हा, she is related to some people, some police officer in the Kepe police station. आणि जेन्ना ही कंप्लेन हाडली त्या वेळार म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर ती शी वॉज बॉट टू द पुलीस स्टेशन विथ द 2-wheeler यूज फॉर द क्रायम. पूण आज जरी तो चोयल्यार थिंगा FIR ना, गायब जाली 2-wheeler आहली. हेजेर म्हाका दिसता हे FIR तुवें करचें. मुखेलमंत्री बाब ही पर्टिक्युलर केस दिता हांव तुका. हे नांव तेजें पियादात कुलासो. So they are not looking at it. At the end, Speaker sir, I would like to say that there is a wide gap between the budgeted outlay and the welfare of the scheduled tribes and the actual spending. Budget capital outlay allowed 23-24 88 crores. Actual spending zale 24 crore. This means 72% was not spent. Looking at this, because I think I end up and I request the Honorable Chief Minister ki je reforms hum propose kele. Ye स्पीकर सर जे रिफॉर्म आम प्रपोज केले ते तुम्ही बुरयले ते इतले नाही कितले उलयले आम बुरयन हाडय ते मातशे अभ्यास कोण येले मातशे ते
सगळे पेपर हांगा धाड
ना पेपर हांव दित तुका जाय जाल्यार सगळे हे कोण हे हांवें बरयलोले मातशे ते सारखे चॅक करा आम बिस्त उलयले हिंगा आनी ते रिफॉर्म हाडपा जाय गरज आहा अदरवायज वी आर फेलिंग द स्टेट. थँक्यू सर.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.